Welcome back everybody to the Lotad Lounge, and today we're doing, as usual, another unboxing, but today is something really cool. Check it. Hisuian Typhlosion Tin. It has one full promo card featuring Hisuian Decidueye V, Hisuian Typhlosion V, and Hisuian Samurai V. 3 different tins for each of 3 different starters. Today is Typhlosion, obviously. 4 booster packs and a code for online usage. But outside of this being cool, Evolving Skies ETB. The last one that was on the shelf at a Walmart that I just happened to be walking through, and much cheaper than online. So I picked that bad boy up, and we're gonna see what's inside this, and we're gonna hope that good old Moon Baby's in this. We can dream. I ain't gonna waste any time. Let's get it going. I almost knocked out my cat. He happened to be right there when I dropped the tin. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay. Crisis averted. Ooh. I think I might knock it loose a little bit. We have our promo. There we go. We got our code. We have a tin for this. Very nice, very nice. And we are completely destroying it. That's what we're doing. And now we have an extra 10 for whatever we need it for. So we got Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike. There we go, that's better. Well, we're going to save the Astral for last, mainly just because I really like the Astral Radiance set. So, might have talked about it before, but it was the set that introduced, or brought in the Hisuian forms from Legends Arceus into TCG. So, and I really liked Legends Arceus, so Astral Radiance is just a really cool set. We're not gonna look at the code. We're just gonna go right in, and we're gonna hope. All right. Nothing real big. These separate so I can sort them out later. Well, he found something in the trash to play with. Alright, Fusion Strike, let's go. Okay, nothing big. Hopefully, there's some stuff I don't have, but we'll find out. My man, you have a window that you can see out of in the kitchen. Sit there. First pack of Astral. What do we got? Oh, there's something getting stuck. Hang on, something's trying to sneak past me. Beedrill, okay. I don't think I've got the Beedrill V yet. Alright. My man. And we got it. I'm a fully capable adult, I swear. Alright. Last booster in the Hisuian Tin. What do you got for us? We got one hit out of it. We got a Regirock, that's cool. Mr. Un himself. Wait. I did not take the code card. Okay. So we got those. Obviously, we got that from the 10 because that was guaranteed. And we've got one hit out of it. Beedrill V. Which is a hit for me because I don't have that. So, I'll take it. Now, the fun begins. Yeah. Ooh, that's really nice. That's really nice. Especially love the Umbreon there. That's really cool. I'd love to have just like this would make a great playmat right here. That would. The Umbreon would make a tremendous playmat. Any of these would, but. Man, that's cool. Book. We don't need this. We don't need the library. Oh, doesn't appear that anything's hiding in there this time. Okay, those are nice dice. I like that. Alrighty, we're just gonna tear right into it. Start cracking some plastic. It's black. I couldn't help it, I had to. Ooh. Okay. I'll take the Garbodor VMAX, because I know I do not have that card. Nice, nice. He apparently didn't mind at all. Alright. Let us continue. It's black. You see that? That's a gold card. Toy catcher. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take that goodness. Okay. Not a bad hit in that. I don't know why these wrappers hate me sometimes. That's white. So no big hit. Could have a secret rare though. No. Nothing big. Nothing big. That one actually was helpful. It's black. What do we got? Hopefully something. Just, if you can give me Moon Baby. Okay. I saw the green and thought it might be the Leafeon VMAX alternate art that I pulled and traded to Zach. I know I don't have that Flareon full art, so I'll take it. I'll gladly take it. Very pretty background as well. The trash can is starting to overflow. White. Hey! Hey, we found him! I think this is our first Lotad pull on the Lotad Lounge. I think. Maybe. At least it's at least the first one I realized. So, we found our boy. Okay. It wasn't big hit-wise. But, we found our first Lotad. I think. I could be wrong. That just didn't work at all. There we go. White. What do we got? What do we got? I see something. That just might be a trainer hollow. It is. Hey, Appleton! I don't think I've got him yet. Elemental badge. Oh, it's the one for the original 3 evolutions. I think I have all the elemental. I think I have all the badges now for evolutions that's in the Evo Sky set. Cool. Cool. All right. We got a black. What does that mean? Something good? Like Moon Baby? I'm pretty sure I see an edge in there already. We got something. Glaceon Full Art. Because I've pulled that before, and I think I traded that to Zach as well. Nope, Vaporeon VMAX. Okay. I saw pink and blue. And I thought I was wrong. Well, we've got 2 evolution cards from this ETB, but we're down to the last pack. We gotta get that last pack magic. That opened extremely easily, and I didn't intend to open it yet. But, oh well. And it's a black. We're gonna find Moon, baby. Oh, we got a hollow Hydreigon. And no, baby. Sad. We tried. We tried our best. Oh, it was reverse hollow. We tried, but we didn't get it, unfortunately. But to get a gold card, and then 3 other hits, plus a basic hollow, it's not bad. Especially for an ETB. Getting 5 hits out of 8 packs? I just opened it, but I already forgot how many packs I just opened. And we found our first Lotad while opening packs on the channel. So that's a good thing. I'll take that. I think this is how we need to get that specific Lotad card that we just pulled. Go send that off to get it graded and just make that like a Hall of Fame like hang up. Or what we could do is every Lotad that we find on a video, we get a special binder just to put all of those Lotads in. That'd be kind of cool. But probably won't do that. Or we might. Who knows? I don't. So that's going to be it for this unboxing video for Lotad Lounge. And it was really cool, and we got some good hits. A couple good hits. So, the next time we see you, we'll be opening something else as usual. Or we'll be doing something else, I don't know yet. We're going to figure out something to do like always. So until the next time, my friends, you all take care. And we'll see you next time in the lounge.